Hola amigos! Okay, so before we even look at today's slides, I want to clear up where to go to get that notes page from yesterday. So when you are in Schoology, you just need to open up course materials. Mine's going to show you a lot more because it's my course and I have things in there that you guys can't see yet, so don't freak out if yours doesn't look exactly the same. Then you're going to open the green folder, Unidad Uno, and only one folder will show up for you, this pink, red, whatever, parte uno, so you're going to open that. And that is where we have, this is a Quizlet where you can go in there and practice all of these words. Underneath that, we have our Saludos Vocabulario, so that is where you are going to be opening that. And once you open it, what's nice about this is here you have the document, so you can click that and make a copy of it and add it to your own Spanish 1 folder in Google Drive. And then here is the slideshow, so you can go through, fill in as you go, bueno, and then if you want to practice your pronunciation, you can watch this YouTube video. Bueno. So that is where all of that is. Now let's take a look at today's stuff. So here's our warm-up. Yesterday we were talking about the difference between Latino or Latinx and the term Hispanic. So using what we talked about yesterday in that video that we watched, you're going to want to answer these questions. Make sure that you add that. This, you hopefully already know about this, but if you're quarantined or absent, this is where you go. That is the place you go, and then that takes you to my YouTube channel. If you're struggling with that warm-up, this is just an infographic that shows a little bit more. Explains it, maybe puts it right out there where it's easier to understand. So this is the winner from yesterday. We voted on between the two songs, we had a winner. Every day we're pitting one country against another. There are over 21 Spanish-speaking countries. We're trying to see what all of them look like through these videos or hear what their music sounds like. And the winner from yesterday was Colombia, the second song. Bueno, today we have two more canciones. Bueno, la canción número uno es de Ecuador y las personas de Ecuador son ecuatorianos. Bueno, canción número 2 por Renata Flores se llama Campina, es de Perú y las personas de Perú son peruanas. Bueno, el estilo es rap. Interesante. When you're finished watching, I'm going to pause that. When you're finished watching, between the two, click on that link so that you can vote. Bueno, and then this is something that we're doing in class. We're saying which one we liked and why. So, me gusta más número uno o número dos. ¿Por qué? Because, and then these are some different explanations. On the bottom, I realize I'm in the way, but on the bottom you have yo doy however many estrellas. How many stars would you give that song? Bueno, and then, just like I was saying, you are going to fill in your notes page. Now, I know you're like, wait, Senora, that's what we were supposed to do yesterday. Yep, in person, we ended up not getting as far as we expected to. So you guys are a little bit ahead of the game. So today what we're doing is we're filling in our notes page with all of these. Remember that these are in my in Schoology, so we don't have to go through all of them right here, right now. And then after that, we are going to be talking about the difference between tú and usted. So in Spanish, there are two different ways to say you, right? Informal, something you'd use with your friends or people who are your age or people who are younger than you. You're going to use tú. So you're going to say, ¿Cómo estás tú? Or ¿Cómo te llamas? Bueno, and then usted, this is something, so in English, we don't have this. We don't have two different ways of addressing people. But in Spanish, we do. And usted is the way to be formal or show respect. That's something you would use with a stranger who's walking up to you. Adults to show respect. Even if you had somebody who was younger than you, but they were your boss, you would still use this usted to show respect. Bueno, so make sure that you watch this video. It's a long video, but I only clipped it for like a minute or something that you're watching. So make sure you watch that because it's interesting to hear from somebody from a Spanish-speaking country, Mexico, when she uses tú and when she uses usted. And then tonight's homework, which you probably already did last night if you did everything from yesterday's video, is this. I'm hoping that we can get to this in class today. I'm pretty sure we will. And then if we have time in class, we're going to do a little Simon Says game. But that is it. That's everything for today. And I'll see you guys later. Adios, amigos. Nos vemos. Maybe.